Have you ever thought about happiness? It's that warm feeling inside, the smile you share, the joy of learning something new. Happiness is a small word for a big feeling, so important that the world created a day just to celebrate it, the International Day of Happiness. This day reminds us that joy is a right for everyone, everywhere. It's not just about feeling good for a moment, but about building a happier world for the future. The day encourages us to help others find happiness, even when the world feels complicated. Even small actions can make a big difference. By working together, we create more kindness, understanding, and joy. On March 20th, we join a global celebration, connecting with people in our communities and across the world. It's a chance to learn what happiness means in different cultures, family, achievement, or simple moments. Our individual joy adds to the happiness of the whole world. Happiness is essential for a good life, the foundation of strong communities and peaceful nations. Happy people are healthier, more creative, and more generous. The International Day of Happiness asks us to think beyond ourselves, to consider the happiness of our planet and everyone on it. It's an invitation to join a global movement for a happier world. So why does this day matter? Because happiness is the heart of a good life. It's about making the world a brighter place for all. Let's celebrate, reflect, and choose happiness today and every day. The journey to a happier world starts with each of us. Every great idea has a beginning, and the International Day of Happiness began in the Kingdom of Bhutan. High in the Himalayas, Bhutan measures success not by money, but by gross national happiness. This philosophy values the well-being of people above all else. Bhutan shared this idea with the world, believing happiness should be a global goal. They brought it to the United Nations, where countries discuss peace and progress. Bhutan proposed a special day to recognize happiness as a fundamental human goal. In 2012, all 193 UN member states agreed, creating the International Day of Happiness. The first celebration was March 20th, 2013, a day of joy and reflection worldwide. This journey from a small kingdom's idea to a global celebration shows the power of one inspiring thought. It proves that even a small country can inspire the world. Bhutan's story reminds us that happiness connects us all, no matter where we live. The International Day of Happiness is a gift from Bhutan to everyone. It's a call to value well-being as much as progress. One idea, shared with the world, can change everything. Let's honor that idea by spreading happiness wherever we are. The date for the International Day of Happiness, March 20th, was chosen for a reason. It's the spring equinox in the Northern Hemisphere, a day of perfect balance between light and dark. Balance is key to happiness, a mix of work and play, time for others, and for yourself. The equinox reminds us that harmony is possible, both in nature and in our lives. Choosing this date connects our search for joy with the rhythms of the planet. March 20th is also the first day of spring in many places, a time of hope and new beginnings. After winter, the world wakes up, flowers bloom, birds sing, and the sun feels warmer. This spirit of renewal matches the purpose of the Day of Happiness. It's a chance to let go of worries and plant seeds of kindness. The equinox is a global event shared by everyone, no matter where you live. Whether it's spring or autumn, it's a moment of transition and balance. The date is a universal reminder to seek harmony within ourselves and with the world. March 20th is more than a date, it's a symbol of hope and happiness for all. It's the perfect day to celebrate our shared desire for a meaningful life. Let's use this day to find balance and start fresh. Happiness begins with harmony. The International Day of Happiness is more than a feel-good moment. It's a call to action. It reminds leaders everywhere that happiness matters and should shape their decisions. True progress means everyone has a chance to be happy, not just wealthy. The day encourages policies that support health, education, and the environment. It also reminds us that happiness is a shared journey. Our joy is connected to the well-being of others. Helping someone else often brings us happiness too. The day promotes compassion, empathy, and a global community. It teaches that strong relationships, purpose, and belonging matter more than possessions. The International Day of Happiness spreads this knowledge in schools, workplaces, and communities. It inspires us to take small actions, smiles, kind words, helping hands that ripple outwards. Each of us can be an agent of positive change. By starting with ourselves, we create ripples of happiness that reach far and wide. The goal, a kinder, happier world for everyone. Each year, the International Day of Happiness has a special theme to guide our celebrations. Themes like Happier Together remind us of the power of connection and relationships. Share Happiness focuses on kindness, small acts that create waves of positivity. People share stories, thank you notes, and volunteer, showing that happiness grows when shared. Mental health is often a focus, encouraging us to talk openly about our feelings and support each other. A healthy mind is the foundation for a happy life. Recent themes connect happiness with caring for our planet, like Build Back Happier. Taking care of nature boosts our own well-being and helps the earth. Planting trees, reducing waste, or enjoying time outdoors are simple ways to celebrate. These themes keep the day fresh and relevant, inspiring new ways to create joy. Every year, we're reminded that happiness is for everyone, everywhere. Let's use each theme as a guide to make the world brighter. In a fast-changing world, the International Day of Happiness is more important than ever. We face challenges like climate change, technology, and global health issues. It's easy to feel stressed or disconnected. This day reminds us to focus on what truly matters, our well-being and that of others. Experts say happiness is key to a resilient, hopeful future. Schools are teaching emotional intelligence and kindness. Workplaces are creating positive environments for happier, more creative employees. Technology offers tools for mindfulness and connection, but real human bonds matter most. The future of happiness is about using technology to enhance, not replace, our relationships. The movement is growing with more local celebrations and year-round action. The International Day of Happiness plants a seed. Progress should be measured by joy. We all have a role in building a happier world. One happy moment at a time, we shape the future. The International Day of Happiness is celebrated worldwide in creative ways. Schools teach kindness and gratitude, with students sharing what brings them joy. Community groups organize events, free hugs, yoga in parks, volunteering to connect people. These activities show that happiness comes from helping others and building community. Governments and public figures join in, sharing positive messages and supporting well-being. The United Nations releases the World Happiness Report, sparking important conversations. Online social media fills with positive stories and happiness pledges, connecting people across borders. Hashtags and digital campaigns spread joy instantly around the globe. The celebration is both local and global, in person and online. It turns happiness into real action and shared moments. The day brings people together no matter where they are. It's a global wave of positivity. Everyone is invited to join in. You don't need grand gestures to celebrate the International Day of Happiness. Start with yourself. Do something that makes you happy, like listening to music or enjoying nature. Taking care of your own happiness gives you energy to share it with others. Bring a smile to someone close, write a thank you note, call a relative, or plan a fun activity. Small acts of appreciation strengthen relationships. Extend kindness to your community, compliment a stranger, help someone, or pick up litter. These simple actions create ripples of positivity. When you're kind, others are inspired to do the same. Use your voice, share positive stories, talk about happiness, or start a small project. Organize a compliment day or a gratitude jar at school or work. Every small action counts. You have the power to be a happiness ambassador. Spread joy wherever you go. As we end our journey, remember, happiness isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a choice and a practice. March 20th is a reminder, but the real celebration is in our daily lives. The story of this day, from Bhutan to the world, shows that one idea can change everything. We're all connected in our desire for joy and meaning. Small acts, a smile, a kind word, a helping hand, can change someone's day. We don't need grand gestures to make a difference. The International Day of Happiness celebrates everyday kindness. By choosing happiness and sharing it, we build a better world. Look for the good, be the good, and help others find joy. The power to create a happier planet is in our hands. Let's be part of this global project of happiness today and every day. Carry the spirit of happiness with you all year long. Let the lasting smile begin with you.